Hey guys, just making lunch here. I'm cooking up some spaghetti squash for later tonight. So I learned something pretty cool a while back with spaghetti squash. You guys know how much of a pain in the butt it is if you've used it before to cut it open. So a little trick I learned: throw it in the microwave for 5 minutes. I already stuck mine in because I didn't want you guys waiting around. But just put it in the microwave for 5 minutes, softens it up, and then super easy to slice open now. Just cut it real nice and easy now. They are a pain in the butt to cut open, but once you throw them in the microwave, softens it up, make it super easy, and done. Then just gut it, and then you can do whatever you want with it. If there's like different ways you can prep it, you can use, I like just olive oil and salt and pepper, but I've also had it where you just cook it in the oven with a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and then you pull it out, throw some chicken, make some buffalo sauce, put some cheese and veggies in there, and throw it back in the oven, cook it for like another 10 or 15 minutes, and you're good to go. Got like a buffalo chicken boat. But anyways, hopefully this tip helped you guys out with spaghetti squash. I know it makes my life a lot easier now. Just throw it in the microwave 5 minutes, and super easy to cut in half instead of fighting it the whole time and having to worry about cutting your finger off. Later.